Tom Hanks, the beloved actor, has a unique secret for maintaining his inner peace and well-being. Unlike many celebrities who rely on structured routines or entertainment-driven methods, Tom's key is his profound connection to nature. He spends time hiking and birdwatching, immersing himself in the natural world, which allows him to disconnect from the demands of Hollywood. This routine not only provides tranquility, but also rejuvenates his creativity, offering fresh perspectives for his storytelling. By prioritizing these peaceful moments in nature, Tom continues to thrive in both his personal and professional life, setting him apart from others who focus on more conventional methods.